Welcome back to Closing Bell on a Tuesday. Finally, the tech stocks are up. They're up so aggressively. The Tesla's up 20%. Fiverr's up 16%. A lot of stocks are up double digit. The ARK Invest and all the ETFs are just roaring upwards. I cannot find any stock that's in the red. And it's one of those days when I go, why did I not buy every single stock yesterday? Why did I not just buy more Tesla, buy more Fiverr? And then look back at my video, man, I was puking yesterday. I look like a poof, man. Why? Those are the questions why. It's the stock market plays the emotion in your head. Today, I'm sure everyone feels good, feels great. And it comes to a point where we thought, why did I not buy yesterday? But it's normal. It's a normal emotion. I mean, looking back yesterday, I'm glad I've got my video recorded. I watched it over again. And yesterday, I looked pretty sick. I looked really unwell. And funny enough, my daughter came in today before my video, before she went to bed. And she says, Daddy, are you still feeling ill? Are you still feeling sick? You know, it's a good reminder that the stock market does play with your head. And in days like this, you shouldn't forget the notes that I've taken yesterday. But let's go into the details, the technical details. Okay, so the Dow Jones is up pretty high, 2.5-3%. Lots of portfolios on my Discord channel. Folks are up 11%, 12%. Folks with cryptos up 15-16% on a single day. It's just remarkable. So Nasdaq is up. Is this the real bottom? So we have to monitor. Look at the VIX, it's 24. The Dow Jones went up and then back down again. It's like a molehill. So I'm still not comfortable. I'm not 100% comfortable because in 2021, my version of a good bull market equivalent to the 2016, 2017 is when VIX is below 19, averaging out hopefully nearing the 15 area. To do that, we need the Dow Jones up, we need the Nasdaq up, we need the FTSE 100 up, we need the German DAX up. Because as you can see, the FTSE also dropped. The DAX, mostly industrials, has gone up and they stay quite steady. So I think the market's too confused. The reason why I'm feeling comfortable where you've got the Dow Jones down and the Nasdaq up, because it's really like rotating stocks. People are thinking, wait a minute, the Dow Jones is a bit high, let's move some money across. The oil stocks are high, let's move money across to the tax, because the tax are severely oversold. But what I'm waiting is for the guys on the sideline, the guys and girls on the sideline money under the bed. Come on, when are you going to put your money back in? Are you hoping to put in interest rates and higher bond yields? Those are the markets potentially could go out with interest rates, but at the moment, cheap money is still there. Affordable Dow Jones index is still affordable, tax is still there. So money is still not moving. I'm waiting for that money to come in, and that's when your VIX will come down, steady, cruising, and the real recovery takes place. So it's quite funny, is it? In 2020, where we're not recovering, stocks are flying all high. And now in 2021, in March, we're actually recovering. COVID wave 4 is going to be not happening. It's going to be postponed. It's not going to be here. Vaccines are working really, really well. Variants are not beating the vaccines. And why is the stock still not going up? Why are people feeling comfortable? Bond yield, really? Interest rates, really? So this is questions that we have to answer. I cannot predict the future, but this is the question I ask myself. But on a second note that I really want to share is, most of you and me retail investors, savings are completely depleted. They're all in stock. I'm sure loads of people buying on the dip. People are smart enough, buy on the dip. So it comes to a point where it's only early March and the savings are quite low now. So it comes to a point where, how are we going to generate more cash? Are we going to live month by month, waiting at the end of the month before we can save cash and invest again? So is your trend of investing only the beginning of the month? It's not much flexible, is it? So what I want to share, it's a bit out of my channel topic about investment. What I want to share is about side hustle. Side hustle is what I used to do on podcasting. So side hustle is nothing wrong. So for me, my personal opinion, YouTube is a side hustle for me. Collaboration with different companies and advertisement sponsorship is side hustle to me. So one place that you can start, it's Fiverr. I'm not trying to promote Fiverr. I'm not leaving a link below. I'm not leaving a link below. It doesn't really matter. But Fiverr Upwork is a great place that you can work sitting from home. When I first started, I was a blogger. Didn't make much money. I put myself on Fiverr. I started being a ghostwriter. That made me money. I remember feeling really good when somebody tipped me 50 quid. The article cost about 70, 80 quid for a three days job, and he tipped me 50 quid. It's such a great feeling. You didn't realize how much value you could put in outside of your 9-to-5 job. You could do anything. I remember that DJ / Priest, He's a priest on the weekend, full time. At night he starts mixing his DJ sound, and because he's got such a great voice, he became a voiceover. He became an overnight sensation on Fiverr. So they're great stories. So you could be one. Fiverr could be one. Or you could do something. So give it a go. I'm actually going to Fiverr to see what services I can offer, what are the side hustles I can do with the amount of time I have available, and potentially use this money and reinvest again. So I just want to encourage people, you guys out there, rather than sit on Netflix, pay your $12.95 a month and watch a series for 6 hours a night. Why don't you take 2 hours out, 3 hours out, and see what you can do? You might be a graphic designer that you could help. You might build Instagram posts for somebody else, or you can do voiceover, or you could do somebody else's spreadsheet. So much job. Somebody's willing to pay for something out there. So this is what I really want to share with you guys. Time to save up, time to get ready for the next correction or your next favorite stocks if it goes on a dip, and continue your journey on investing. So I hope you guys are taking mental notes on your feelings yesterday and mental notes today, and make sure you keep it in the digital folder, keep it in your folder, and remind yourself when you get days like this again, because it's not over until the Dow Jones is up, Nasdaq is up, FTSE is up, the DAX is up, the Japanese market is up. Then I'm comfortable that we are on a great bull run. But for now, this is just a relaxation era. And before I say thank you everyone for watching, please do check out my video for my interview with Jason DeBolt, a proper Tesla millionaire. I spoke to him yesterday after closing bell. Such a great chat. And the man, the legend himself, 39, so much wisdom, so much strength in what he's learned, he's read, and what he's sharing as well. So you have to check the video out. It's going to change your life, because it's really, that conversation just opened up my mind even bigger. So thank you very much. I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe, and hope to see you soon.
I hope you enjoyed that video. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Please press the bell button. Ding dong. Finally, watch the recent video up here.